This is like thick and what the... Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring cherry herring or cherry herring. I hope it's herring and not the fish.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this one? It doesn't look like the bottle's as pretty as normal.
It's not as... It's still a nice bottle.
It's like a bourbon bottle.
It's got a cool
That's what it
top. It's got this square thingy on it. I still like it. It's not as sexy as the other one, but, you know, it's cool.
Yeah, no.
But, yeah, this is the cherry herring. I don't know. But, yeah, the reason I have this bottle is I used to work with this lady named Cheryl, and she was a really cool old lady. And she had the greatest stories. She was from Long Island. She told us the best freaking stories. And so this is the person that you're going to talk to. You know it's going to be 2 hours. Easy. And so you used to tell us stories about back in, like, the 60s. Drinking this stuff. She's like, you gotta find this. So I looked for like years. And I finally found it while I was so excited to try it. So I want to thank Cheryl for even letting me know this bottle existed in general. But she said, yeah, it's super cherry. All right, so this is the original cherry liqueur since 1918, invented in Copenhagen in Denmark. Is now made in Sweden for some bizarre reason. I couldn't find out why, but it is. It is colored with elderberry extract, which is very odd. It's 24%. Is made with real cherries and botanicals, founded by Peter F Heering. It was who traded colonial goods in the Copenhagen shipyards, and it was a recipe from one of his boss's wives. It's like, okay, so it's very interesting. He became a purveyor to the Royal Danish court, and Queen Elizabeth II eventually liked this so much that she also goes to her. And it was bought by Depuker in 2017. Some of their famous cocktails are the herring soda, the herring old-fashioned, the spirit, the sour, the sling, and they'll run the blood and sand, which is made of scotch, which is really cool. Because it separates really cool between the scotch and the blood and looks really awesome. But, you know, that's just nerdiness. So it's cool. And Will's like, God damn, I should drink this crap. All right, let's see what kind of face Will's going to make. I don't think he's pleased.
Is so thick.
Okay, so it looks
syrupy, viscous when it was pouring out of the glass.
It looks like NyQuil.
Yes,
it so does. Look how thick that shit
is. The thickness of it and the color of it, because NyQuil is so the nighttime.
It's so dark.
Yes, it has that slight red to it if you tilt it in the
and then the nose is just freaking sickly cherry sweetness.
It smells like Ludens.
It really does. It's totally the Ludens.
Smells like Ludens.
When you open up the little canister or the little tin canister, yeah. It smells good to me. I like it.
Ludens cough drops that have absolutely no medical medicine in them.
They taste delicious.
Yes, they are like candy.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was awesome. That's the best results ever.
Oh, that was so bad.
That was better than my Scotch face.
The Sarah Pete face. Holy shit. That was amazing.
God, why?
I haven't even had a chance to take a drink yet.
Oh.
I could smell the elderberry, though. I could smell the elderberry.
Yeah. It's just cherries and elderberry. It smells wonderful. Not to Will, though.
It
was coating.
It's my God.
A lot of cherry.
It's so thick.
It grabbed onto my tongue and would not fucking let go.
Yeah, it is the consistency of NyQuil for sure. It's super thick cherry coating. I don't think you can take a lot of that at one time.
No, it's straight up cherry, but on the finish you get a slight little bitterness of the elderberry that comes through.
Yeah.
It's just the slightest hint of bitterness, but the rest is just full on sweetness. I could imagine you listed one of the drinks as an old fashioned. I could see this being used as the cherry in old fashioned
and sugar.
I've done
and
it.
Sugar.
I've done it. It's delicious.
You don't need sweet. You don't need simple syrup if you're going to put this in there.
Ooh.
Depending on how much you put in there, you might not need the bitters.
Yeah.
All you need the bitters is get to balance that sucker out.
Yeah. Seriously.
I usually put a lot of bitters in to take the sweetness out.
I don't know. I'm not a fan of bitters, so
I love bitters. Drinking like shots.
Eek. Can't
Maybe
do
we
it.
should do one of those for a liqueur series.
I'm not. Yeah, we could do a bitters one. I'm not opposed.
No,
We'll take a
thanks.
shot of bitters. I joined the Bitters Club up there in Washington Island. At
You
Nelson's
get to have
Bar.
your fun watching my face with these sweet things. Let me have my fun.
That was good to
Matt
me.
likes it.
I know you don't.
Okay, you get that fun when I drink peated things.
Oh, it's fair. I
So-
didn't find it.
Yeah.
This is true.
All right.
All right. So if you like cherry and you like NyQuil, and
And you want to search for years to find a bottle.
but I will say that this is the like first bottle I think that we've come across that Matt didn't buy because the bottle looks so cool. This is one that was actually like recommended. Hey, try this.
This is true.
Just saying. That looks like someone's like a bourbon bottle.
It's like a mix between Old Forester and
That bottle.
and the Slow and Low. Yeah, a little bit like
Oh
that.
yeah, kind of, yeah. You're right.
And Jack Daniels, the normal Jack Daniels bottle.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah,
Yep.
kind of.
All right. William's not going to be using this to cheers out with.
No.
He's got the glass in which he poured the last of my Bookers into.
Sorry.
I'm mad. Don't forget to don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell and join us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
Let's see how mad she is. Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers. I have to put on a face.